Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I will show you how to make this lavender. The materials needed for this project is a worsted weight yarn in green and lavender color. And then our flower wire, 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, and a glue gun. To start making with our project, I'm going to make 40 chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next, from the second chain from our hook, make a single crochet. And then make a chain 3. And make a picot. Insert your hook here. This is the front hook from the last single crochet stitch. Make a slip stitch, and then on the same stitch, make a single crochet. I'm just gonna repeat that pattern into the next 12 stitches. So single crochet 1, chain 3 picot, and then single crochet. Repeat the pattern, single crochet, chain 3 picot, and then single crochet. Now we're done making the same pattern from the last 13 stitches. Next, we're gonna proceed with the next 13 stitches. In the first stitch, you're gonna make a half double crochet and then a chain 4 picot. And then in the same stitch, make a half double crochet. Just repeat half double crochet, chain 4 picot, and half double crochet, half double crochet, chain 4 picot, half double crochet, half double crochet, chain 4 picot, and then half double crochet. On the last 13 stitches, I'm gonna make double crochet, chain 5 picot, and then double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch, chain 5 picot, and then double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 5 picot, double crochet. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the end. Fasten off, then cut your yarn. Then we're gonna tie these two strands together. And cut off the excess yarn. And next thing that we're gonna do is to assemble our lavender. We're gonna use our flower wire and then our glue gun.